Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve some arithmetic circuits. So in this arithmetic circuit, first we are going to solve some half adder and full adder based questions. So here one question is given that is based on the half adder. Create a half adder. A half adder adds 2 bits with no carry in and produce sum and carry out. So in the half adder we have two inputs. Let's A and B, and we don't have any carry in. Okay, and we have two outputs, sum and carry. So we need to write code for that half adder. So we are going to use data flow modeling, so that's why I am writing a sign. So what is the expression for sum in half adder? As we have two inputs, so we need that expression is A XOR B. Okay, so A XOR B, this is for sum, and for carry out assign C out equal to A and B. So this is the expression for C out. Okay, let's check it. Okay, done. So whatever we wrote, that is correct. So these two are the expression for this sum and carry out, C out, for this half adder. We need to remember this expression. Let's solve full adder. So here full adder based question is given. Create a full adder. A full adder adds 3 bits including carry in and produce sum and carry out. So in the full adder we have 3 inputs. Let's take A, B and C in. C in is the carry which is coming from the coming as an input from the other circuit, and we have two outputs, sum and carry out. Okay, so what are the expression for this sum and carry out? For sum, as we have 3 inputs, so assign sum equal to, so what is the expression? As 3 inputs are there, so A XOR B XOR C in. Okay, because input is A, B and C in, so that's why A XOR B XOR C in. Next, for C out, what is the expression? Assign C out equal to, so here what is the expression for this C out? AB plus BC in plus AC in. Okay, so here we are going to write those A and B or B and C in or A and C in. So this is the expression for C out. Okay, let's check this full adder. Okay, done. So that code is also true. Okay, so in this way we can solve these arithmetic circuits like half adder, full adders. We will solve few more arithmetic circuit in the next video. Till that, thank you.